Hey, good morning. Happy Friday. It's a complex situation this morning. We got rain on the radar. I know you can't see that little screen right there, but it's raining outside my house right now. Could be a wet commute for you. We'll talk about this upper low over Alabama, which is causing the cloudy, showery weather for us today. Maybe historic rainfall for portions of the Carolinas. And then we've got Joaquin. Oh, go back and read my 7 o'clock post from last night as I poured my heart out about what's happening to the Bahamas right now as this catastrophic storm just inches its way through that beautiful island nation where we've had so many weather conferences over the years. Anyway, go back and read that post. Are you ready? I've got some great stuff on the maps to show you. Let's get to it. Boy, just a complex, classic setup, upper low over Alabama. You got Joaquin down there and cool air coming from the north. All these players work together in concert. That's why it's cool and cloudy over Alabama today. That's why the Carolinas are going to see historic rainfall. Up at 20,000 feet now, the 500 millibar level. There's that low between, let's say, Greenville and Monroeville this morning, pulling in the moisture into Alabama. There's the situation tonight. The upper low drifts to around Panama City. Not much change in our situation, still pulling in the moisture. There's morning drive. I think that map is a little overdone, but you get the idea. Showers moving in from Georgia into eastern Alabama, then into central Alabama. There's lunchtime today. Same idea. Let's take you to afternoon drive here. There's the afternoon drive map with showers dominating much of eastern Alabama, but I think even the western counties could see a few showers. Cool and cloudy today. What about tomorrow? The map doesn't change much. Upper low is still near Panama City, still drawing in moisture. Cloudy, cool here. A few showers around. People are asking about the Bama game. Well, Athens is going to be a lot wetter than Auburn, but Athens could be a wet situation over there. Auburn, maybe a few showers for the homecoming game there. So both of those games and a lot of other big games in the Carolinas are really in trouble as far as the weather this weekend. Cool and cloudy, 40% chance of showers, upper 60s today, upper 60s tomorrow, a few showers around. We hang on to the clouds Sunday, morning lows in the 50s, highs in the lower 70s. We warm up later on next week, so after a cool weekend, temperatures will rebound, especially late next week. Be a little bit warmer than it has been. Now let's talk about Joaquin. As I record this, it's still Category 4. Air Force reconnaissance on the way there. They may take that down to Category 3 by the time you watch this video. There's the forecast cone. Now the National Hurricane Center has shifted it off the U.S. coastline. That's good news, but still a lot of beach erosion, tremendous waves, all kinds of winds and rains along the U.S. coastline. So the spaghetti models have now come into line and are all out in the Atlantic Ocean. Only a few outliers are curving it into the U.S., but I think Joaquin will be not such a big player for the U.S. compared to what it's doing in the Bahamas. I hope you have a great Friday and a nice weekend. No video tomorrow, but I will see you out at Blunt Cultural Park for Walk and Wag for the Montgomery Humane Society, and there will be a video on Sunday because, for one reason, it's the 20th anniversary of what hurricane? That's right, Hurricane Opal. We'll be talking about that and your weather for the week ahead, and I want to hear some of your stories about Opal. Have a great weekend, okay?
Rich Thomas weather.